I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Adding funds to your Klarna wallet can be a bit tricky if you're not familiar with the app. Here is a straightforward guide to help you through the process. Step 1. Open the Klarna app. Launch the Klarna app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account to access your wallet features. Step 2. Navigate to your wallet. Once you're in the app, find a wallet option in the main menu. This is where you can manage your funds and transactions. Step 3. Select Add Funds. In the Wallet section, look for the Add Funds button. Tap on it to begin the process of adding money to your wallet. Step 4. Choose your payment method. You will be prompted to select a payment method. Options typically include linking a bank account or using a debit card. Make sure to choose the one that works best for you. Step 5. Enter the amount and confirm. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the escrow.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Sometimes, it may take a few minutes for the funds to appear in your wallet, so don't worry if it doesn't show up immediately. I hope this guide helps you add funds to your Klarna wallet easily. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.